Welcome and thanks for stopping by. So, yesterday I posted a poetic called Dawn the Storm, and I just wanted to explain that a little more and give words of encouragement. We know there's so much going on in the world, there's destruction, chaos, judgment. And when you're so plugged into the news and what's going on, it can leave you feeling hopeless, lost, confused. Or, maybe you're going through a tough time in your personal life, just outside of that stuff that's going on. But whatever it is, it will pass. And not to be dismissive of the pain that you feel, but it will pass. And getting that reminder is necessary because pain can make us myopic. It can make us only see the pain and only see the storm, and that's it. All we see is the rain cloud over us. But it is important to remember to have faith in these hard times, in those hard times. And for me personally, I just couldn't imagine not knowing the Most High God, um, especially when I'm going through it, because things can be tough when you do know Him, but with Him, there's hope. And I just can't imagine going through a rough patch without Him, and how much more those feelings of hopelessness feel and appear when you don't believe in something bigger than yourself. But when those hard times pass and you are picking yourself up, putting things back together, be okay there in that place. Especially if it was something like a setback. And see that pain can indeed be turned into something. All that rain is just going to give me lush pastures, you know, an abundance of something good if I flip that pain correctly in due season. If I turn that pain into purpose, I'm going to get a return where I only thought I was taking losses. Because beautiful things grow in strange, unfamiliar places. It's just a matter of looking with new eyes, seeing beyond the pain, especially when you're out of it, looking underneath the surface, like really examine the situation, taking the lesson and growing from there. Because there are so many unhealed people out here, broken people breaking other people. And I know that trauma is no joke. It's hard to get past, but it is possible to heal and move beyond what or who broke us. It's possible to not let our pain define us, but instead emerge and redefine that pain. That is possible. But a change of heart, a change of mind, a change of attitude, new eyes, and some legwork are required. But you got this. I know you do. And thank you for stopping in. If you found this video useful and want more herbal wisdom, wellness tips, and poetic or spiritual insight, please subscribe and I will see you next time. Take care.